that where these monkeys are taking me. Tell Baloo and Bagheera where they are taking me. Now he want to convey the message that please pass my message to my friends Baloo and Bagheera that monkeys, they are taking me somewhere. Ran nodded and observed the path of the Bandar Log. So Ran nodded, underline, to make a quick downward bending forward of the head, to bend one's head. And he observed the path also, that where the monkeys are taking Mowgli with them. After a few minutes, he flew away in search of Baloo and Bagheera. After observing the path that where they are going along with Mowgli, he flew away in the sky and started looking for Baloo and Bagheera. Meantime, Baloo and Bagheera were furious with rage and grief. Meantime means for the moment, that time before something happens. Baloo and Bagheera, they were furious. Furious means extremely angry. Underline furious. Angry with rage. Rage means uncontrolled anger. And grief. Grief means sorrow, intense sorrow and sadness. They were sad also and they were angry also. How could the monkeys snatch their dear Mowgli from right under their noses? Now they were very shocked. They were shocked, they were feeling sad also, and they were angry also. That how could monkeys take Mowgli with them from right under their noses? Right under their noses means he was with them only. He was sleeping between Baloo and Bagheera. How could monkeys take him away with them? They needed a plan to get Mowgli back. Now, what they need? They need to make a plan that how Mowgli can be brought back. Baloo thought hard and then said, "The Bandar Log fear Kaa, the rock python." Now what idea Baloo had? He had an idea that the monkeys, they are afraid of Kaa. Now who is Kaa? This is Kaa, python. So Baloo thought of an idea, plan, that the Bandar Log means the monkeys, they are afraid of Kaa, the rock python. He can climb as well as they can. He steals the young monkeys in the night. They are afraid to even whisper his name. Now, they are afraid of python, Kaa, because he can climb also. Wherever the monkeys will go, he will follow. He steals the young monkeys in the night. He also steals the monkeys, the young monkeys, in the night, and they are afraid to even whisper. Whisper means speak very softly, using one's breath rather than one's throat. So, whisper his name. They are afraid to even call his name, whisper his name. Let us go to Kaa for help. Now they decided to go to Kaa for help. We will promise him food in return. If he will help us, we will promise him food in return. They will give him food. When they found Kaa, he was stretched out and licking his lips as he thought of his dinner to come. Now when they saw Kaa, he was stretched out. Stretched out means capable of being longer or wider. Longer and wider. So he was stretched out and licking his lips. Licking his lips means to pass the tongue over, as he thought of his dinner to come. Now, when they reached there, Kaa thought that he is ready to take the dinner. The dinner is there for him. Good hunting, greeted Baloo. Now Baloo greeted him by saying, good hunting. All creatures in the jungle greeted each other thus. So all animals who are living in the jungle, they greet each other. They greeted each other thus. Good hunting for us all, Kaa answered. Now what was the answer of the Kaa? Good hunting for us all. This was the reply given by Kaa. Baloo, what are you doing in this part of the jungle? Now he is questioning Baloo that why you have come here? What are you doing here? It is the Bandar Log that we follow, said Baloo. So Baloo said that we are following the path of Bandar Log. We are going towards the area where the monkeys live. Those nut stealers and pickers of palm leaves have stolen away Mowgli. Now he is explaining that why they are here. He explained that those nut stealers who used to steal nuts and pickers of palm leaves also used to pick palm leaves. Now he is explaining that they have stolen away Mowgli. Help us get our friend back, said Bagheera, and we will repay you this favor. Now Bagheera, he said to Kaa that please help us to bring back Mowgli, our friend back, means Mowgli, and we will repay you this favor. We will give you something in back. For this favor, the favor to bring back Mowgli, we will repay you this favor. We will repay something to you. Even as he spoke, they heard the fluttering of wings. Underline fluttering. Fluttering means flapping of wings quickly. They heard the fluttering of wings. Now who was there? Run, the kite, landed beside them and said. So Run, he landed and sat beside them and said, I have seen Mowgli among the Bandar Log. Now he conveyed the message. He said that I have seen Mowgli among the monkeys. He asked me to tell you. Now he is giving the message. He is passing the message. He asked me to tell you. Tell you means Bagheera and Baloo. The Bandar Log have taken him. Beyond the river to the cold layers. Layers, I have told you earlier also the meaning of layers. Layers means a place where wild animals live. Example, den. It is a hidden or underground area. So Run said the Bandar Log have taken him beyond the river to the cold layers.